Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what comes around in my kitchen, I guess. Yeah. This is Assi brand Jang. This came in an exotic nudes box. Go to exoticnudes.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. Shush! The children are killing me, ladies and gentlemen, slowly but surely. I am a wisp of my former self. It's because the children. So how are you doing? This is a microwave variety. We need that. We need the sachet of flakes. And what really is this thing saying what I think it says? You fill it to the line and you microwave it at 700 watts for 6 minutes. That seems really, really weird. There's the line. Alright. Mimi, eat your lunch. For God's sake, you're killing your father. Yes, you're killing me. I won't survive much longer. Shush. Okay, there's 6 minutes. Yeah. Kind of sucks because I've got like a full sink, a full dishwasher, which is done. The dishes are done, but yeah. And my little daughter, who I'm ready to just absolutely strangle. At least I have a cherry vanilla Coke Zero. And quotes from Momofuku Ando, the man who invented instant noodles. Eat your lunch! Let's see. Number 289. I go to the golf course 130 times a year. I once went golfing 7 times during a 6-day business trip to the United States. Huh. You guys like golfing? I've never golfed. Never found it fascinating enough to like try doing. Oh. I mean, there's a lot of golf courses around. It's got to be at least somewhat interesting. Mimi, eat your lunch. I swear, she's 4. She might as well be like 16 and wants the keys to the car. It's horrible. Yeah. Killing me. I can't wait till they're back in school. Miles isn't so bad, but her? Jesus Christ. Fuck. I thought having a little girl was gonna be easy. No. She's insane. She won't stop talking. She like if you tell, like if Miles does something and you tell him not to do it, she'll immediately say the exact same thing. She is so freaking bossy. Mimi, eat your lunch. I'll be back. All right, there we go. So now Miles isn't on his tablet next to her, and the TV's off. And she's been told she needs to eat her lunch. I give it 2 minutes before I hear her giggling, sitting next to Miles and playing with his tablet and trying to take it away from him. So, all gonna be gray. All of it. All of it. Yeah. I don't think it was even 2 minutes. I think there's tomfoolery going on already. Mimi, eat your lunch. As soon as I tell her to eat her lunch, she goes, and it's like, it's what she asked for. I want, well, she calls it bread, but she wanted a tortilla with cheese on it, melted in the microwave. So that's what I do. I do that. If she wants something to eat, I make her something to eat. I made that for her an hour ago. And she's taken like one little bite. And then as soon as I'm done here, and then she has school, when she's done with that, she's gonna want a snack. And all she wants is chocolate milk and potato chips. It's like, yeah. Not me. I don't know who you think I am, but that ain't gonna be what I know. 6 minutes, huh? It's gotta be almost done. I even paused it. I hope it didn't just explode in the microwave. It didn't. Alright. I see no evidence of explosion. Perfect. Looks like the heat level I chose was optimal. Mimi, eat your lunch. Miles, go to the end of the hallway. No fun time for Mimi. Not until she eats her lunch. You will experience fun once you have experienced lunch. Yes. Don't even say that. He said stop whining. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Here we go. This is sauce. You know how I know? It says sauce. But it's Jang, so there's our sauce. The black bean sauce, if you will. And there's a spicy component here I will add in. Hopefully it's good. Spicy powder. Need a clean fork. We stir it all up. Yeah, my apologies. What are you whining about, little girl? Eat your lunch, Mimi. Stop. Eat your lunch, Mimi. Eat your lunch, Mimi. Well, if you're not gonna eat your lunch, then that's that. Go to bed. Yeah, my apologies for you having to listen to me discipline my children. What about the nice people in TV land, Mimi? What must they think? Miles like that. Well, let's give it a try. Not bad. Mimi, eat your lunch. We have other forms of civilized discourse once you have completed eating of your lunch. That's a good one. I like jajang. That one's particularly nice. I wasn't sure about that whole cook time craziness, but that worked out well. So, this is kind of a bare bones day today. I don't really have a lot of tricks up my sleeve, as it were. And I don't want to get any sauce on my shirt either. There. Something good for this would be sesame seeds. I guess a little spring onion. I even got mung bean sprouts out, but I don't think anything I'm cooking today will do well with those. But yeah, so well, it looks as it should. Ooh. Eat your yummy lunch, Mimi. Yay! No tablet, no Pez, nothing. We'll see how long that I can last doing that. That's what I'm gonna do next. That's gonna be the next episode. Look at this stuff. Now I wanna make sure that you can read what's on this. This is the distributor sticker. Product name. Smelly powder. It even says right here, smelly, smelly juice. It's Ramen, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.